The original meaning of the word desert is an abandoned place. There are various ways to define what a desert is, but it is typically an area of land with very little rain. A desert usually receives approximately 16 inches of rain annually. Around 1/3 of the Earth's land surface is taken up by deserts. The typical image of a hot, dry place with endless sand dunes is actually not the most common kind of desert. Only 20% of the world's deserts have sand. The two largest deserts on the planet can be found in the Arctic and the Antarctic, and are known as polar deserts or cold deserts. The largest hot desert on the planet is the Sahara in North Africa, and it covers an area that spreads across 12 different countries. It is about the same size as the USA, and yet only about 3 million people live there. It is one of the hottest places in the world, and temperatures can reach 120 degrees Fahrenheit. However, because it is very dry, from December to February, temperatures during the night can drop below freezing. The driest desert in the world is the Atacama in South America. The average rainfall in the area is just 0.04 of an inch every year, and some weather stations have never reported any rainfall. The soil in the desert is similar to that on Mars, and NASA uses this desert to test instruments and equipment. Plants and animals that live in deserts need to be able to survive the hard conditions. Plants usually have very small or no leaves and deep roots to get water. They often have long, sharp thorns to prevent animals from eating them. Animals need to keep cool and find whatever water they can. Most desert animals are nocturnal and spend the day resting in shade, if they can find it. Because of the conditions, deserts can be very dangerous places for humans. Despite this, people have been living in desert areas for thousands of years, usually moving around a lot to find water, or rare places with vegetation called oases. Deserts are good places to find useful minerals, and not surprisingly, are an excellent place to produce solar energy.